This is the fourth edition of the lecture series, which has great gain in modern diplomacy, according to Ambassador Ronald Austin, Director of the Foreign Service Institute. Today's exercise focused on negotiations at the diplomatic level.
It's central to diplomacy. If you're a diplomat, that's what you do. I mean, if you're sent to a conference, for example, you'll have to negotiate sometimes, not on every occasion, the final communique or important resolutions which might come up during the course of the conference.
Another aim of the lecture is to promote awareness and attention to the Sustainable Development Goals.
The series of lectures primarily on the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, 17 of them. But we haven't had lectures on all 17. That is not our intention. We've had lectures on, for example, health and climate change, for example. We've had one on the fourth industrial revolution. I think the first one is Guyana and the SDGs, the very first one that we had. So those lectures were intended to really provide information and to provoke discussion and ideas for us to help us at the level of training our own diplomats here, and also providing the kind of data we need to improve, expand, and to inform our foreign policy.
The lecture was conducted via Skype by Ms. Yemen Wu, the Deputy Permanent Representative of the Permanent Mission of Singapore to the World Trade Organization and World Intellectual Property Organization. It was organized by Guyana's ambassador to the World Trade Organization. Ms. Yemen guided young foreign service workers and diplomats in how to conduct negotiations, as this forms a major part of their responsibility in this area of work.
You negotiate daily, whether it's with your partner or girlfriend, or with your landlord, or at work. But what's key about these negotiation skills is also about practice. The more you practice the skill sets, the more you're able to use it in the occasions, especially the important occasions in which you need to get good outcomes. As such, if you are going into a political negotiation, it's important that you find a way to practice that through a simulation exercise.
The next lecture series will be held in September. Felicia Valenzuela, InfoHub.